Looking for a guilt-free sweet treat? Today, we're making soft, steamed multigrain dumplings in a creamy jaggery sauce. Start with 1 cup of multigrain atta. Add half a cup of grated coconut, a pinch of salt, and a teaspoon of ghee for flavor. Gradually add hot water and knead it into a soft, smooth dough. Lightly grease it with a little more ghee to keep it moist. Now, take small portions of the dough and roll them out on a greased banana leaf. This adds a beautiful, subtle aroma. Place these on a steaming plate and let them cook for 10 to 15 minutes until they are perfectly firm. Let's prep the syrup. Melt half a cup of jaggery in half a cup of water until it's completely liquid. Add 2 cardamom pods for fragrance, then add in our freshly steamed dumplings. Finally, pour in thick coconut milk. Bring it to a gentle boil, then turn off the stove immediately. And there you have it, a healthy, wholesome dessert that's ready to serve. Enjoy!